In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy WIF, also known as dog with hat, on Solana. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, in order to buy WIF, you must actually first have a Solana wallet set up, and the Solana wallet I'll be using is Phantom. Now, you can download it on the Google Chrome Store or on the App Store on your iPhone, so it doesn't actually matter which device you're using, but you just want to go ahead and download this and set it up first. And when you have it downloaded and opened up, it will look something like this, and you just want to deposit some Solana into your wallet so that we can actually buy this coin. Now, if you don't know how to do that, you'll first have to go to an exchange, and you're going to want to buy some Solana to send to your Phantom wallet. Now, if you've already got Solana ready in your wallet, just skip forward a bit in the video and I'll show you exactly how to buy it. But to start with, I'll show you how to transfer the Solana into your wallet. So once you've already got your Solana bought, we can go ahead and choose to withdraw our crypto by clicking this withdraw button up here. And from there, we're going to have to select the coin as Solana. So we can simply choose Sol, and it will now ask for an address as well as a network to send to. Now, since we're going to be sending it to our Phantom wallet, that means that it will be on the Solana network. So when we click on network, we have two options, but as I said, we're going to be sending it on Solana, so we've got to make sure to choose this one. From there, we just want to paste in our Phantom wallet address. So you can actually find your Phantom wallet address at the top. As you can see, my wallet's called Photon, but that symbol just to the right of it will allow us to copy our wallet address, which we can then paste into here, and then we can send over our crypto. Now, once you've got your Solana in your wallet, you're going to want to head over to some sort of decentralized exchange. So you can choose between Radium and Jupiter, but personally, I'd recommend that you use Jupiter, because Radium, in my opinion, is not very good, and it makes the process a lot harder, to be honest. So now that we're on Jupiter, we've connected our wallet and we've got Solana ready, we're now ready to buy dog with hat. So I recommend that you come over to CoinGecko and simply type WIF into the search bar, and the top result will be this one, dog with hat. Now, the reason I say to do it on CoinGecko is so that we can get the correct contract address, and that will save us from buying the wrong coin. So when we're on this page, we can go down to where it says contract over here on the bottom left, and we can simply click this button to copy the contract address. From here, we can go back to Jupiter or Radium. So now that I'm in Jupiter, I can go down to the bottom, and as you can see, we'll be paying in Solana, and at the moment, I'll be receiving USDC. So I'm going to click on this. At the search bar at the top, I'm just going to paste in that address, and here we can see dog with hat WIF. So I'm going to click on this, and we can now enter in the amount of Solana that we want to buy. So as you can see, I've got 0.05, so I can do half of that by clicking here. Right now, I'll currently be buying $4.30 worth of WIF, which will give me 1.28 WIF. Now from here, I'm actually just going to up the slippage a little bit. So right now it's set to 1, so I can click on that. And I'm just going to click on this custom box on the right and change it to 3. And then I can save settings, and we are now ready to buy it. So I can click swap, and my Phantom wallet will pop up, and it will say that we will receive this much dog with hat, and we'll be sending out this much Solana. So once you've confirmed that's correct, you can click confirm, and my transaction is now processing, as you can see in the bottom left corner. And after just a few seconds, that transaction will go through, and we will have successfully bought WIF. As you can see, the transaction's now got through, and I've now got 1.2 WIF in my account. So that's how you can buy WIF, also known as dog with hat, on Solana. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.